Allah, bura. Allah.
Again, number 10 off the board, gets the foul. Foul number 13. That is third person of first.
Nagkagubot oy, nagkagubot.
Number 19 of 2 points.
Dito ka sa kabila. Diyan ka lang, kamang sandal.
Huli dito, pero ilang inahabol. Side on number 4. So number 19, off the board, but goes 2 points. Huli again, on the side side. To number 10, for 3. No goal. Number 47. Sorry. That's the foul.
Kagubot, tama bulang naglalaro.
Foul number 38. That's very good.
Ha?
Number 19.
Ha?
To number 11. Medyo wala pa. Number 11. Double team. 40 seconds to shoot. 4 shot. No go. Pero kanina pa rin. Number 28. Jimenez. To number 10. 5 seconds to shoot. Shot coming in. Derecho. Number 7. Tapi lang kawal dito na tayo. Number 28. Sagat kay number 19. Number 19. Number 19 pasa dito. Silan kay number 4. To number 28. To number 19 again. 40 seconds. To number 11. Rebound kay number 47. 47. To number 13. Number 13. Number 5. First shot, no go. Second shot, no go. Tapi naman kawan nyo. Ng Wolf. Wolf, jersey number 16. Direkta! Pasada! Pasada! Juan, goes for it, Pinoy, down to number 19. Number 19 again. Pero wala Pinoy, number 18. Foul. Yellow. Sangat dito. Number 24, nagbuhan. Huli dito, number 23. Jump ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 1, two up. Basket is good. Officer score 9-7 and favor of Wolf. Number 30. So number 23. Fading goal. Medyo malakas pero not takes the ball. Number 23 again. Number 23. Foul. Una na naman ang Wolves. Number 19. Number 11 gets the foul. Sabi nga niya, sagat niya number 23, number 23. Got it by number 24. Number 23. Out of foul. Number 23. Baba. So number 30, Bombege. Sabi nga, mawa dito, number 23. Grabe nga ito nila kanina. Tiran, nulo, tarang ko. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Number 24. 5 seconds. Shot clock na lang maririnig. And a first one. Huli naman. Off the board. Gets the foul. 8. Number 23. Medyo nawala. Sagad dito. Kay number 30. Number 30. Dito na lang. Gets the foul. Oh, number 30 again. Jersey number 30. Number 03. Nakuha na number 15. To number 4. To number 30 again. Medyo malakas. 40 seconds. That's very good. Lamang na ang Titan. Ten seconds to shoot.